Hi everybody and welcome back to American Girl Afternoon. Today we are making Build-A-Bears for your doll. Now you'll see mine looks more like a Build-A-Mouse, but if you've ever been to Build-A-Bear or walked by the store in the mall, you know that they don't just have bears, they have reindeer and they have Pokemon characters, and they had Stitch from Lilo and Stitch, and they had Elmo and Cookie Monster from Sesame Street many years ago when I was like your age. So it's build a stuffed animal, maybe is what we should call it instead of Build-A-Bear. So mine kind of came out looking more like a mouse or a Martian or something, but that's okay. He's still really cute. So what you need, and you will see this in the time-lapse video, what you need to make your build a stuffed animal, if you're gonna make a bear type one. If you're gonna make other ones, your make and take kits, if you get a make and take kit, it's gonna come with the supplies that I'm gonna say. If you wanna make your own, you can use whatever you want from home. But this is what you're gonna get if you get a make and take kit. You're gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pom-poms and a little piece of ribbon. And then you will need to provide hot glue and a marker of some sort, because you can see I tried to draw a face on him. I think the pom-poms were too fluffy for the marker that I used, so I might use puffy paint next time, or even tiny googly eyes. But for the purposes of this is what you're getting, and this is what you will need from home. So as you will see or have already seen in the time-lapse video, you take your biggest pom-pom and you make that the body. If you have one of equal to or slightly smaller size, you'll make that the head, so you'll hot glue those two together. Then for all your smallest ones, you will hot glue 2 arms, 2 legs, and 2 ears onto your stuffed animal. And then for the ribbon, you can put it around the neck. You could make it go down the middle. You could turn it into a headband. You could tie it into a bow. I had some trouble with the ribbon, as you will see, because it was so thin and his neck was so tiny. So I almost burned myself with the hot glue and I had a hard time getting it on. But it did work in the end, and then I drew on the eyes and the nose. Like I said, I think the pom-poms were just a tad bit too fluffy for the marker that I used, but you can, if you get real close, you can still see that there is a face and a nose on there. And so we're gonna say this is not a bear, we're gonna say this is a mouse. Maybe it looks like Jerry Mouse from Tom and Jerry, a little bit. It's kind of the right color and everything. So that is how you make a stuffed animal for your American Girl doll. So we hope that you enjoyed this craft, and we hope you will join us next time for American Girl Afternoon. Have a great day.